Hi, hello there. I'm Prince Aaron, a graduate of Bachelor of Secondary Education at Isabela State University, Ilagan Campus. And now, I'm vying for the position of Virtual Assistant, Scheduler, and Appointment Setter. I finished my internship program at Burgos National High School, wherein I gained necessary and specific skills and competencies. Just a quick recap, I was tasked to schedule meetings, school meetings, and events, which made me effective and efficient in juggling different tasks and assignment. Also, I have strong command in using English language. I can effectively communicate using the English language in both oral and written communication. I have also a a great work ethic. I am very passionate and empathetic, which these traits and these skills are necessary for this job opportunity to ensure that our customers they feel valued and cared and to ensure that I can contribute meaningfully to our virtual community. Thank you.